There's no denying that this Porsche GT4RS is an absolutely gorgeous car from a performance, design, and sound aspect. But we believe it's missing just one thing.
The first year, GT4RS only came with the base Xenon headlights due to a part shortage, so these matrix-style headlights were developed as an OEM-style plug-and-play solution at a fraction of the price of OEM. The OEM upgrade requires new headlights, rewiring, new modules, and coating, which can cost upwards of $9,000 when all is said and done. These have 99% the look of OEM matrix headlights with gloss black internals, feature the latest 4-point LED daytime lights, and provide output 1.7 times brighter than the OEM Xenon headlights. If you're interested in grabbing a set of these headlights, click the link in the description for a full before and after gallery with more information.